Looking for the best email marketing platform? Today we're comparing Primeforge, Infraforge, Mailforge, and Mailchimp to help you figure out which one actually fits your needs. Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. If you're running a business, launching a product, or just building a brand, your email tool matters more than you think. Let's break these down quickly. Primeforge is all about AI-powered personalization and automation. It's designed for more advanced users who want things like predictive send times, dynamic content, and smart segmentation. It's powerful, but it might be overkill if you're just starting out. Infraforge, on the other hand, is built more for developers and platforms. It gives you full control. Things like API for setup, white label options, and flexible logic flows. If you're building email features into your own app or product, this is the tool for you. Mailforge keeps it simple. It's fast, clean, and gives you everything you need to build and send emails without all the fluff. It's great for solopreneurs or small teams who want to get results without a steep learning curve. And then there's Mailchimp, the OG. It's packed with features, offers tons of templates, and integrates with almost everything. It's beginner-friendly but can feel bloated and a bit pricey depending on your plan. So here's the bottom line. Primeforge is great for advanced campaigns. Infraforge is perfect for builders. Mailforge is lean and efficient, and Mailchimp is the safe all-purpose option. Thank you for watching How to Literally, and see you in the next one.